I'm going to talk a little bit about how you need to look at your investments, how you need to look at your savings practices, how you need to look at your debt, right? Especially for those who are here in the West, right? We want to be able to look at those and to be able to position ourselves appropriately. For those who are outside of the United States, and maybe you're already kind of in an economy that is shrunk, that an economy that is not doesn't accommodate your particular dreams, or maybe you're already in some type of recession in your nation, or you're experiencing a lot of inflation. I know places like Nigeria experience a lot of inflation, a lot of things happening there, causing uh, people to lose their buying power with the monies that they have in their hands. And so, how do you move accordingly? That I'm also going to give some advice to people that are maybe looking at this time. Whether you had been a nonprofit organization, and especially for those who are overseas that maybe had resources stripped from them when USID kind of pulled a lot of its support. Where do you look for other means? How do you start pivoting? I think that the main key thing I feel like the Lord is saying to us, how do we pivot? How do we pivot and how do we put ourselves in that position to be able to understand how we need to move in these times? And that is critical for us. Some 2 years ago, actually during the pandemic, I think about 2019, I had a very vivid dream. And in the dream, I saw many people running, and they seem to be running. To correct myself, about 2021 actually that I had this dream. Saw people running out of a running to banks. Many people were running into banks, trying to take their money out of the banks, trying to um, go into the financial institutions, and the financial institutions were closed. The financial institution did not have enough dollars or money to be able to, get people funding, and it created chaos in the streets. People were running around back and forth, and I remember at the time I was wondering what's going on, and it was very jarring. This particular dream was very jarring.